Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025. Now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.44. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 38.39% to an increase of 0.122%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals an anticipated decline of around 11.43%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 31.67% and an increase of 51.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would project the future price to fall somewhere between $2.68 and $5.93. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for NIO as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The NIO stock price declined by 1.51% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, dropping from $3.98 to $3.92. During that day, the stock fluctuated 2.6%, with a low of $3.85 and a high of $3.95. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 4.53% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares despite the declining prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 32 million shares were exchanged for approximately $125,630,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price sits at 49.16% or $3.79 below the 52-week high and 94.15% or $63.07 below the all-time high achieved on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's recent performance has shown mixed signals. On the 5th of May, the company's stock closed at $3.98, down 1.24% from the previous day. However, optimism remains as NIO prepares for the European launch of its Firefly model, with analysts targeting a rebound to the $5 mark. April saw a significant increase in deliveries for NIO and its competitors, with NIO reporting a noteworthy year-over-year growth alongside XPeng and Li Auto. Despite these positive delivery results, concerns linger due to ongoing tariff pressures impacting the Chinese electric vehicle market, potentially creating volatility for NIO stock. Nevertheless, heightened investor attention signals a readiness to evaluate NIO's long-term growth prospects, though especially in light of analyst predictions suggesting that recent stock performance could be just the beginning of an upward trend. In the short term, these mixed results and external pressures could lead to increased volatility, potentially keeping the stock price subdued. However, if NIO successfully capitalizes on its new model rollouts and continues to show strong delivery numbers, it may see a positive shift, providing a catalyst for growth in the longer term. Overall, NIO's future performance will hinge on both its operational successes and market conditions in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near short-term development. The NIO stock currently displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $4.07 and $3.94. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 9.05%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average showed a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 24 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 10 cents between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.60%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 3.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and indicate possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.75. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Incorporated conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have shifted our evaluation of this stock to a negative stance. Due to minor technical weaknesses, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last assessment. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we expect NIO to open lower by approximately 1.33 cents, starting at $3.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.